cardboard. This is 3 inches. This is a little over 3 inches. You need a little bit of play because these kids are young and they've got to make these fit together. I would show you what we're making, but I hung them all up. Anyway, so you take felt and you have to have a fold because they're going to look they're going to look like a piece like this, which I already cut some green ones out. There's a fold because that's how they become baskets. So you take and you draw around the template. Might have to turn the pen on. And then you take and measure. These are 1 inches each. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, for a total of obviously 3 inches. So it has to be as long as it is wide. So then I just take this, because since I did it that way, I take my ruler and I mark it at 1 and 2, and then I just go up a little over 3 inches and draw that on there too.
So you go up 3 inches, a little over.
Just slightly over, just because there needs to be a little room to play with it. Then I take and cut that out. Now remember, I had already cut a green one out because you have to have 2 to make it into a basket. So and you cut your strips. Now what I was showing the kids, now you see you've got, here's your template, now you've got, I made some extras already. You got 2 sides, okay? And I was telling the kids to turn one side. If you think about it, if you just to visualize it, there's the heart. And then you you're going inside, outside, inside. Since these are for little kids, these only have 3. Now, the next one's going to be the opposite. It's going to go outside, inside, and outside. And then, it doesn't matter if it gets all messy because it's cloth, we straighten it out at the end. Try to pull it so you have room for the last row. Here's the last row. This one's green, so that means this next one's a red. So that means it goes inside, because you want the red show. So, inside. And then the next one will be then outside, and then inside. Then, looks kind of messy, but put your hand in there, pull, flatten, pull, straighten,
and then
both sides. Sometimes they get kind of, you know, just.
And then the
straighten it out, and then I cut 1-inch strips to make, because see now look, it's a basket, and it's actually holds. And it can be flattened and straightened again if it needs to.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
what
I did a handle so it could be hung, and then I wrote, you know, their names on it and let them decorate them with glitter and stuff.